good. I'll be better at talking in English. Thank you everyone for being here today. In these difficult times of pandemic and recession, I think everybody needs happiness. I think we should be thanking Jairaj and his team, the organizing committee of this Kushi Cup, for giving us all, for all of us present here today. And thank you for organizing such a wonderful cricket tournament for gents as well as ladies. And all the best to the organizers and the wonderful participating teams. And I hope we make it a very good tournament. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Shekhar. Now I request Mr. Puneet. Mr. Puneet to come forward and say some words because he is having a lot of words to say to our cricket players. Because he is a great player here in Bahrain.
Okay guys, good evening. Actually this was not planned. I always be a cricket player and I'm supposed to be there. And it's my great honor that I'm sharing the stage with all the dignitaries here. So we have witnessed very good, the organizing. We can see the way of organizing. These guys are very fantastic, and I'm happy to part of sharing this podium with them. And I wish all the participation teams good luck, and let us, as the name mentioned, that Kushi Cup, let us enjoy this tournament happily and make this tournament successful. And good luck, organizing committee and Kushi team. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I expected a lot more wickets of cricket and all, but it's okay. We'll take it from him in ground. Thank you very much, Puneet. Now I request Mr. Siddharth to come forward and say some words and wishes.
Good evening, everyone. Cricket, underarm cricket is like very new thing to me, and I just joined this ITC, and one of your star players, I think he's one of the organizers. And while I was discussing, because each Friday every Saturday I see him talking about cricket. So with that thing, I spoke to him, what exactly you are guys doing. From there, I came to know about this Kushi Cup. Most impressive part was that one, the underarm that I didn't knew. Second was the ladies that they are playing in it, which is completely new, I think, for Bahrain. Then another thing was Bahrain has given us this platform, especially being expatriates here, that we should really give a round of applause to this country for allowing us to speak openly and organizing these cups. So, on this note, I would tell the players here that to keep your enthusiasm as the way they are doing, and good luck.
As Mr. Siddharth told, yeah, we are really lucky to be in Bahrain that we got so much liberty to play here cricket. So thank you very much, Mr. Siddharth, for sweet words. Now I request our chief guest, also happened to be main sponsor of tournament, Riaz Khasa, Managing Director of Casa Arabia, to come forward and say some words and wishes.
Namaskaram, Apagli. Just here the Patirji, Mike Patira first time. Good luck for all the teams, and Kushi Cup edited Mikil Mata Thank you.
That was few words, but lot of love and wishes from the Mr. Riaz Khasa. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Mr. Suresh ji to... Now I request Mr. Ganesh Manila. Ganesh Manila ji also very much cricket enthusiast, so we need his guidance and wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, Purna. Mr. Materla, Tulutla, English la Patere, just an Patere. ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಗೋಪಾಲಣ್ಣ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹರೀಶಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸೇರಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿ ಕಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಪಾಲಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಆಡುವಂಥ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಂತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಅನ್ನೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬಹಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮ್ನ ಈ ಖುಷಿ ಕಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗಲೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ನಾವೇನು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜನರ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಪ್ಪು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಳಿದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ganesh, for amazing words. I think we all must have seen in social media that the trophy, which is going to be, how much height it is, how much, like something was there. So all are excited to see what is it. What is it? Personally, I saw trophies. So it was awesome. I think I never seen such trophies awarded in cricket in Bahrain. So it's big time now. Time to trophy unveiling Kushi Cup 2022. I request all the guests, please join to this big event. I request Mr. Riyaz Kasa, Mr. Gopal, all the guests, join your hands for Caesar and just cut it up, and we all are excited to see trophies of Kushi Cup. I request all of you to give big round of applause. Make some noise, guys. Thank you very much, all guests. Please join back to stage for the further events. Thank you very much. That was just awesome trophy event. Trophy was huge, and look at the crowd here. All are excited to take pictures and all. Guys, there is time to take pictures. Let's move forward. Our guest Mr. Gopal Shetty for personal reason have to leave for the event, so
Please bear with me. I have to leave now because see, this trophy is sponsored by Mangalore Association President Mr. Satish Bajal. He was not here. I have to attend as a vice president. So I don't know how much traffic is there in Causeway. I have to leave. Please bear with me.
thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Gopal Shetty, for joining the beautiful event. Thank you very much. Hello. Now, moving forward, the live pictures for the all three tournaments. The first we are going to ladies cricket. Ladies cricket, 6 teams are there. So format is like 3 groups we made. It's going to be knockout match. So okay, lots going to be taken like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So match will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. So those teams winning directly qualifying for the semis. So 3 teams we are getting as semi-finalists. So between 3 losers, highest run rate team will qualify. 1 team will be qualified as 4th finalist. Hope everyone understands this. So anyways, we are going to share the details in group as well. All this event is going live in all social media pages. So this time this lots is something different we made. There is one tab we customized. So we request one guest or because of technical reason we couldn't display it in the projector, so we are going to make it in laptop only. So I request Ms. Purnima ji come forward and scan the first team of lots. So all the teams are given with the QR code. So once you click on the QR code, the team will be displayed their name. So who is the first team?
Champions 11.
Group 1, number 1 team is Champions 11. Thank you, Purnimaji. Now I request Ms. Deepika ji come forward and scan second team of the tournament. Let's see which is the second team of the group.
HPC.
That was HPC.
HPCA.
HPCA, sorry, HPCA. Group number 2 number is HPCA. Now it's third team. I request Miss Soni to come forward and scan the number 3 team.
KSB, Kannada Sangha Bhari. Third one.
KSB.
Kannada Sangha Bhari.
Third team as Kannada Sangha Bahrain, KSP. Thank you very much, Miss Soni. Now I request Miss Nishma to come forward and scan fourth team of the lodge.
Team Iconic.
Iconic. Purna. Iconic.
Team Iconic.
Team Iconic. Fourth team is Team Iconic.
Purna.
I request Miss Sheetal to come forward and scan fifth team of the lot. I would like to correct myself. I think I had told before that ladies match
Team
being
Yashaswini.
underarm, but it is
Yashaswini.
overarm.
Yashaswini.
Team Yashaswini. Fifth team is Yashaswini. Now I request Miss Mamata ji, please come forward and scan sixth team. Of course, it's below us team, but let's see.
Team Billavas.
Billavas.
Okay.
Purna.
So Group A, Champions 11 and HPCA. The first match going to be the Champions 11 and HPCA. Third team KSB and Team Iconic. KSB and Team Iconic is going to be match. Team Yashaswini and Team Billavas going to be third match. So hope everyone clear about the rules. So three finalists will be three winners of the three matches, and loser three teams. One team will be qualified as fourth semi-finalist. That is based on the run rate of the match. Thank you very much.
Next one more.
Okay, just moving forward now. Overarm 38 fixtures. 12 teams being registered now. So it's going to be 4 group matches. Each group will be 3 teams. There will be 2 league matches. So 2 teams will be qualified for the quarterfinal. Hope it is clear. Anybody having any clarity, need any clarity, please, you can share. So now it's time to take lots. Group A, first team. I request Mr. Harish Balan come forward and take the first team of Group A.
Team below.
Team Billovers.
It is Team Billavas. What a coincidence. President of Team Billavas taken Team Billavas team. Group A, team number 1, Team Billavas. The next team is Group B, team number 1. Group B, team number 1. I request Mr. Riaz Kasha, please come forward and scan the second group first team.
Okay, dummy one.
Sunil. Dummy. TBC, yeah?
There was actually we had registered with 11 teams so far. One team is TBC to be confirmed. So to be confirmed team is B group first number. TBC B group first team. Now group number C first team. I would request Mr. Shekhar to come forward and scan the group C team number 1.
Dummy.
Dummy 2. Rajesh. 2 ఉందా డమ్మీ 2 ఉందా ఓ బచ్చముండు
Dummy 2.
Group C number 1 also to be confirmed. TBC 2. TBC 2. After confirming the teams TBC 1 and TBC 2, we will be deciding that also through lots only. Which TBC 1 and TBC 2 going to be which group, like that. So group 3 first team is TBC 2. So now I request Mr. Siddharth come forward and take T group first team.
Barin Falcons.
Baron Falcons, sir. Purna. Baron Falcons.
Group D number 1 is Bahrain Falcons. Bahrain Falcons, Group D number 1. Now I request Mr. Puneet to come forward to take the lot of Group A number 2 team. Group A number 2 team.
Karavali Kings.
It is Karavali Kings. Karavali Kings, Group A, number 2 team. Now I request Mr. Ganesh Manila to come forward to take the Group 2, number 2 team.
Good luck challenge. Good luck challenge.
कुठला चॅलेंजेस
Group C, number 2 team, Kudla Challengers. Group C, number 2 team is Kudla Challengers. Thank you very much, Ganesh Manila. Now I request Asif Rosa to come forward and take the fourth Group C, second team. Group C, second team. Group D, second team, taking a lot of time to scan. Let's see who is going to be Group D, second team.
कुंदापुर
Group D, second team is Kundapura Friends.
सी ग्रुप सी सेकंड
Sorry, Group C, second team is Kundapura Friends.
Kudla challenges B.
Kudla Challengers is Group B, second team. Now it's Group D, second team. I request Divya Prakash come forward and take the lot. Now Group D, second team.
Manama CC.
Group D, second team is Manama CC. Group D, second team is Manama CC. Thank you, dear Krishna. Now I request Mr. Suresh to come forward and take Group A, third team. Group A, third team now. Group A, third team.
Nisarga Bhari.
Group A, third team is Nisarga Bharin. Group A, third team is Nisarga Bharin. Thank you, Sureshana. Now I request Mustaqim to come forward and take the Group B, third team. Mustaqim is a facey bowler from Shahid Group.
Rifa Indian Star.
रिफा इंडियन B3
Group B, third team is Rifa Indian Star. Group B, third team is Rifa Indian Star. Now we are going to Group C, third team. I request Sagar Shetty to come forward and take lots of Group C, third team. Sagar Shetty. Sagar Shetty, all-rounder facey bowler from Rifa Indian Star.
Shine Group.
शाइन ग्रुप
Group C, third team, Shaheen Group. Group C, third team is Shaheen Group. I request Mr. Ajay Lobo to come forward to take Group D, third team. Group D, third team. Group D, third team.
Raghunath Bhati.
NSB Laguna, Smart City.
Smart City.
Group D, third team is NSB Laguna Smart CC. Group D, third team is NSB Laguna Smart CC. Here we are completing 12 teams, 4 groups. Okay, overall 12 teams, 4 groups goes like this. Group A, Team Billavas, Karavali Kings, Nisarga Bari. Group B, TBC1, Kudla Challengers, Defined Star. Group C, TBC2, Kundapura Friends, Shine Group. Group D, Bahrain Falcons, Manama CC, NSB Laguna Smart CC. After trophy unveiling, there was 2 resort teams. So after seeing the trophy, there is one team came forward and asked us to join them. So the team is Scorpions. So TBC1 is in a B group and TBC2 is in C group. So we are going to take lots for these two TBC teams. Which team is going to which group, B or C? I call upon trying to come forward and take the. This is B group now. TB2 is B group. The Scorpio team is registered under Group C as number 1. So Group C, Scorpio, Kundapura Friends, Shine Group. Hope pictures is all clear. So we will share this in group as well. Group C, Scorpio, Kundapura Friends, Shine Group. Team A group, Team Billavas, Karavali Kings, Nisarga Bahrain. B group, TBC1, Kudla Challengers, Refined Star. Group C, Scorpio, Kundapura Friends, Shine Group. Group D, Bahrain Falcons, Manama CC, NSB Laguna Smart CC. Okay, moving on. Now, the quarter final will be A group versus C group. A1 versus C2. A2 versus C1. B1 versus D2. B2 versus D1. Hope everything is clear now. So moving on. Now it's pictures for the underarm. As time is moving, so we are changing the slide in the event. Now this is time to jersey launching ceremony of Team Kudla Challengers. So before that, we request guests to give jerseys to the official umpires of the tournament. Underarm cricket umpire Mr. Ashraf to come forward to take your jersey. I request Mr. Harish to give. Next umpire is Mr. Surendra. I request Mr. Riaz Kasa to honor this jersey. Thank you, Mr. Riaz. Now, jerseys for the volunteers of the tournament. Mr. Dixit, I request Mr. Puneet to honor this jersey. Mr. Puneet. Sandeep from Manamasi. Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep is absent today. Dhanush Karavali Kings. Mr. Ganesh Manila to honor this jersey. Sashi, Mr. Sashi. Thank you Ganesh ji. I request Asif Rosa to honor this jersey. Sashi. Mr. Sandeep. I request Mr. Shekhar ji to honor this jersey. That's all for volunteers and umpires. Now it's players. Kudla Challengers players. Yajnesh. I request Divya Prakash to honor this jersey. Karam. Sharat, please join. Mr. Suresh, please honor this jersey. Kishan Shetty. Give it big hands to the players and guests, please. I request Mr. Siddharth to honor this jersey to Kishan. Now Mr. Sunil. Mr. Siddharth, please, one more time. Sunil.
Next player is Mr. Purna. We request Mr. Harish to honor here.
Sunil Panja. Next player is Sunil Panja. I request Puneet to honor this jersey. Sashi. Underarm player Sashi. I request Mr. Shekharji to honor this. Ganesh. The next player is Ganesh. Mr. Asif Rosa, please honor this jersey. Ganesh. Mr. Pradeep. Next player is Pradeep. Pradeep. Underarm champion player Pradeep. Good luck challengers. I request Ganesh Manilaji, please honor this jersey. One more Pradeep. Pradeep. I request Mr. Riaz Kasa to honor this jersey. Pradeep. Yatish. Mr. Riaz, one more please. Yatish. Master Blaster Yatish is an opener. DJ alias Yatish. Now Mr. Rajesh. Rajesh, I request Divya Prakash to honor this jersey. Divyana, please stay there. Guru Pujari, underarm champion Guru Pujari, also official photographer of the tournament event. Guru Pujari. I request Mr. Harish to give next jersey to Mr. Devi Shetty as a special guest. Mr. Devi Shetty is a supporter, sponsor, and also Kudla Challenger sponsor also. I request Mr. Riaz Khasa ji come forward and honor the Asif Rosa jersey. Ratan, underarm champion Ratan. I request Mr. Suresh to honor this jersey. Ratan. That's all for jersey event, jersey launching event. Thank you very much all guests for honoring our Kudla Challengers team members jersey. Thank you very much. So once again, from the bottom of heart of, there will be pending underarm 30th pictures still. So guests are moving. So thank you very much from the bottom of heart all the guests, sponsors of this tournament. Moving forward, 30th team pictures. There are 16 teams are registered. Format is as follows. 4 groups will be there. Each group having 4 teams. two teams will be qualifying for the quarter final. Two teams from each group qualifying for the quarter final. Four groups, each four teams. Two teams from each group qualifying for the quarter finale. I request all the players to have a seat and support to the pending event 30-yard cricket pictures. Group 1. So we are going to take the teams lots same as oral. We are scanning through the. Okay. I request Yatish to come forward and take first team of the group A. Group A first team. I request all players, please be seated. There are empty chairs here. Please. Group A first team going to be revealed now.
Congrats once more time.
Group A first team is Ashes. Group A first team is Ashes Bare. Ashes Bare, Group A first team. Now I request Preetham to come forward and take Group 2, team number 1. Group 2, team number 1. Preetham to scan the Group 2, Group B, team number 1. Group
Preetham, choose side
B, team number 1.
Bahrain
brothers. Group B, team number 1 is Bahrain brothers. Now, Group C, team number 1. Irfan to come forward and take the Group C, team number 1.
Dummy one.
Group C number 1 is TBC1. Group C number 1 is TBC1. To be confirmed. Group C number 1. Now going to Group D number 1. Ashraf. Ashraf to come forward and take Group D number 1 team. Ashraf is going to scan the QR of Group D number 1 team. Sunil Panja. I request Sunil Panja to Golden Berries. Golden Berries is Group team number 1 team. Sunil Panja is going to take Group A number 2. Group A number 2. Group A, number 2 team is now.
I reflect.
Group A, number 2 is Team I Reflect. Group A, number 2 is I Reflect. I request Karampaji to come forward to take Group B, number 2 team. Group B, number team. Group B.
To be confirmed.
Group B, number 2, TBC 2. TBC 3. Group B, number 2, TBC 3. Now, Group C, number 2 is Mr. Manoj to come forward to take Group C, number 2 team, Lord. Group C, number 2. Group C, number 2.
Jolly Journey.
Jolly Javanes. Group C, number 2 is Jolly Javanes. Now Group D, number 2. I request Janice to come forward and take the lot. Group D, second team.
To be confirmed.
TBC 2.
Group 4, number 2 is TBC, EBC 2. Group 4, number 2 is TBC 2. I request Mr. Ruben to come forward and take Group A, third team. Mr. Ruben. I request Ajay Lobo to come to Ajay Lobo. Group A, number 3. Group A, number 3. Kudla Challengers A. Group A, third team is Kudla Challengers A. Now I request Mr. Sallu, TikTok hero Mr. Sallu to come forward to take Group B, number 3 team. Group B, number 3. Group B, number 3 team.
Kudla Challenges B.
Kudla Challengers B. Group 3, number 3. Danu. Group 3, number 3. Group B, number 3. Kudla Challengers B. Group B. Now I request Mr. Riaz. Asif, sorry. Pardon me, Asif, to take Group C, number 3. Asif scanning Group C, number 3 team.
Lagan Boys.
Lagan Boys. Group C, number 3 is Lagan Boys. Now Group 4, number 3. Group D, number 3. Jairaj to come forward and take the Group D, number 3. Group D, number 3 team. Jairaj, the main organizer of Kushi Cup, taking the lot of Group D, number 3. Team is
New Star Barry.
New Star Bahrain. Group D, number 3 is New Star Bahrain. I request Kishan Shetty to come forward. Group A, 4th team. Group A, 4th team. Kishan Shetty taking lot for Group A, 4th team. Group A, 4th team. The team is
TBC 4.
TBC 4. TBC 4. Now moving forward, Group B, 4th team. I request Vivinjit to come forward. Vivinjit. Vivin to come forward and take lot for Group B, number 4. Group B, number 4. Group B, number 4. Scanning the code. Let's see which is the team.
Royal Cricket Club. Royal.
B4 Royal Cricket Club. B Group 4th team Royal Cricket Club. Group C 4th team now Sharat Shetty to come forward. Sharat Shetty, Group C 4th team. Group C 4th team. I request Devi Shetty to come forward to take lots of 7 star. C Group 4th team 7 star. C Group 4th team is 7 star. Mr. Devi Shetty coming to scan. D Group 4th team. The last team of the group D4. Young Friends Bahrain. D4 is Young Friends Bahrain.
Done.
That's it. All the teams are now pictured in 4 groups. Here it is. A. Ashes Bahrain. Team I Reflect. Kudla Challengers A. TBC 4. B Group. Bahrain Brothers. TBC 3. Kudla Challengers B. Royal Cricket Club. Group C. TBC 1. Jolly Javanes. Laguna Boys. Lagan Boys. 7 star. D Group, Golden Barris, TBC 2, New Star Bahrain, Young Friends Bahrain. The format is same as overall. A and C, B and D. A1, C2, A2, C1, B1, D2, B2, D1, and semi and final. Hope pictures formats is clear to everyone. Anybody need clarification? Please you can share. I request all the players, guests, attendees, please join to snacks. Just exit of the ground. There is a snacks counter is open. That's it of the event. That was the wonderful trophy unveiling and live pictures event of the day. I think this is the stupendous startup for the Kushi Cup cricket carnival, we can say. Beautiful trophies here. Lot of pictures, TikTok videos. It's going to be viral in days. Thank you very much all attending this beautiful event. Thank you, thank you.
Hello. Thank you very much, Purnananda. It's a very good hosting for our event. Thank you very much.
ಹಲೋ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿ ಬಿಯರ್ ಕೊಡೋಡಿಗೆ
ಯಾನ್ ಪಾತೇನ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪಾತೇರು
ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಮುಗಿತಿಲ್ಲ ರಾಗಲಿ ಜೊತೆ